Today we're going to show you how to install the Tuscany Railing System by ColorGuard. This kit comes boxed and includes top and bottom rails with aluminum inserts, installation hardware, and brackets. Balusters are packaged separately and come in white, black, or bronze. To determine the number of balusters needed for your project, please refer to the table on our website under the Tuscany Product tab. Kits are available in 6, 8, and 10-foot lengths and heights of 36 or 42 inches, and can be purchased in white, tan, or clay. Before you install, you will need safety glasses, a pencil, tape measure, a level, drills, power miter saw, and a speed square. Pro tip: we recommend cutting several 4-inch spacers to assist with installation. You can use a scrap piece of 2x4 to make the blocks. Also, cut a 3-inch scrap piece of baluster. You'll see why in a minute. The Tuscany Railing System is installed between 2 posts. Start by laying out the bottom rail. Working from the outside in, measure from the post to the edge of the first routed hole on each side, making sure they are evenly spaced. Spacing should be no less than 1 3/4 inches. Mark rail for cuts. Take your spare piece of baluster and insert it in the middle pre-routed hole, then place the top rail on. This ensures both pieces are cut to the same length and the holes will match up. Make the cuts using a miter saw. We recommend using a 10-inch 82 carbide blade. When making the second cut, pull the aluminum insert out about 1/4 inch. This will prevent scratches on the post sleeve during installation. Next, attach the bottom brace plug and support block. Find the midpoint, mark it, pre-drill pilot holes, and fasten using the 2 provided screws. Then, slide the support block over the brace plug. To install, place spacer blocks between the 2 posts. Slip end pieces over both ends of the bottom rail. Then place the bottom rail on top of the spacers and attach using screws and a number 2 Phillips head driver. Keep in mind that the screws go in on an angle, so you will need to slightly offset brackets closer towards the post edge to compensate. When using our Patriot steel post mount, it is best practice to put the screw in until you hit the filler, then back it out a bit, then go forward until it pierces the steel. This ensures proper attachment. Insert balusters into the bottom rail. Slide the top rail brackets onto the top rail. Then fit the balusters into the top rail. Check for level, then attach the top rail brackets. Add the self-drilling rail screws with hinge caps and snap them shut to conceal the screws. Add the post caps and you're done. Thank you for watching. For more information on ColorGuard railing systems, including product information, options and accessories, installation instructions, and inspirational ideas, please visit us at colorguardrailing.com.